Okay, hey guys, so I'm literally the worst YouTuber ever, but I totally forgot to film an intro. I don't even know how that happened, but basically today's video is going to be a chit chat, get ready with me, plus a giveaway, so stay tuned to the end to hear all about the giveaway and how to enter and all of that. But yeah, I don't even know how I forgot to film an intro, so yeah, so sorry, but enjoy the video. So most of you guys probably know, but in the summer I really don't like wearing a lot of makeup. I just find the feeling of foundation to be like super cakey, and I just don't like that. Like, it's hot outside, like I just don't want anything super heavy on my face. So I've just been doing a really basic summer look, bronzed, glowy. That's just kind of the look that I'm going for. I'm just gonna start off with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 20 Sand. This is a little bit dark for me right now because my face is so white, but it's totally fine. So if I'm looking down, it's because my mirror is on the floor. So that is why. So yeah, I honestly definitely have not been on my YouTube game recently, and that is just because I've been working a ton. I've been working like full-time, over full-time hours. It's all good. I'm super happy to be back at work and making money. I know during quarantine I was so active on my YouTube channel and I was so happy. I was uploading like 3 times a week, and I definitely want to get back into a schedule. I just really need to get that down somehow. I'm also starting school back in a couple of weeks. Today is August, I think it's August 8th. Today. My first day of class is September 8th, and obviously school is going to be so different this year. For me personally, for multiple reasons, but yeah, it is going to be different. My whole first fall semester is completely online. I don't have any classes in person, and I guess I'll just announce it in this video because I don't really know where else that I would announce it. But I am transferring. I mentioned this in I think a few of my videos, like my college advice video I did, and I think I also mentioned it in one of my day in my life vlogs. Basically a little background of my whole college experience. So for 1.5 years I went to Wilfrid Laurier University, which is in Waterloo, Ontario. I went there and I was in the communications program. So I did first year, and then I did first semester of second year, and then I left in January of 2020. So like my second semester of second year. I came home, I took the semester off, I just worked, and I was really happy I did that. And then I applied to a bunch of different, I think I applied to like 5 or 6 different schools, and I actually got into every single one. I wouldn't consider myself like a book smart person. I don't know, I'm just not I'm not the most enthusiastic when it comes to school. But yeah, I got into every school that I applied to transfer to, which I was so excited about. But the school that I will be attending and transferring to in September is Ryerson University, which is in downtown Toronto, and I'm so excited. I've always loved Ryerson. I actually wanted to go there in grade 12, but I just didn't get in because I didn't try at all in high school, and I really regret it. But I'm just brushing out my eyebrows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Chocolate. I don't have any of the pencil left, so I just brush out my brows with it. I will be attending Ryerson University for the Professional Communications program, and I'm so excited. I absolutely love the city, and I'm just so excited to be going to Ryerson. Like I said, everything first semester is online anyways, so it doesn't matter too much. It is a little bit weird starting at a new school and it's being online, because I don't know, it's just going to be a transition for sure, but everybody's gonna be transitioning into doing online classes and stuff, so it's all good, and I'm so happy, and I truly think that everything happens for a reason. If you guys want me to do a separate video on a Q&A on transfer process, how that works, how you even apply as a transfer student, how transfer credits work, all that, let me know, because I know it's a process where you feel like you're very alone and not that many people go through it. But what I've learned is a lot of people transfer, and it's totally okay, and you gotta do what's best for you at the end of the day. So yeah, but I'm super excited about that. Also, I just filled in my eyebrows with the Tartelette in Blue palette, and I just used this Jet Setter color, and then I'm going to go in with this Funny Girl color and just kind of lightly dust it all over my lids. Back to school means a lot of, I'll be doing like college week of my life. I know they'll be obviously different because they're gonna be at home, but yeah, I'm super excited to do some college content for you guys. So let me know if you have any video requests or anything you want to see surrounding that. Then I'm just taking the Smarty Pants color and just putting this in my crease. This just kind of connects at the end with like my bronzer. I'm actually going away for a couple days, not next week, the week after. I'm super excited for that, so I think I'm gonna do like a pack with me video. I also have a few other videos lined up, so definitely subscribe if you're new. I'm going to be taking the Hoola Benefit bronzer. This bronzer, you guys, is literally my favorite ever. This is like my third or fourth, and I just hit pan the other day and now I'm really sad. And I literally just put this all over my face. And it might look crazy on the lights because I'm using my like softbox lights, but it just really makes my face look darker, because if you know me, you know that I literally do not tan. Then I go in with this Bobbi Brown highlighter, and it is in Pink Glow. I've had this for years, and it's honestly one of my favorite highlighters ever. It just looks like this. It's like the prettiest color ever. And so I put this on the tip of my nose, and then the bridge of my nose, is that what it's called? And then obviously just on the sides here. It's just crazy to me that we're over halfway done this year and literally nothing's happened. Curling my eyelashes. Then I'm just taking this mascara. It's literally my favorite. It's the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. And I'm just gonna go in. I love mascara. Like, if I only had to use one makeup product for the rest of my life, it would be mascara. Okay, so I just finished my mascara off of camera because it's just hard to do it sometimes. And the last thing I do is I take this Smith's Rosebud Salve Balm. I literally love this stuff. I got it from Sephora and I've had it years. Yeah, that is basically my finished makeup look. So now let's get on to the giveaway. So as I mentioned before, obviously back to school season is right around the corner. I know some people have already moved back to college, which is crazy, but I wanted to team up with a personal planner to make sure that you guys are feeling organized and ready to go back to school. So first of all, thank you so much to Personal Planner for teaming up with me today to be able to host this giveaway. So basically, Personal Planner is obviously a planning site. They have planners, stationery, pens, stickers, literally everything that you would want when it comes to being organized and planning in general. So this is my planner that I made on the site. You can literally customize everything. You can put a picture of your face right here if you wanted to, literally anything. Like, you can completely customize this. I just got this gray color with stars, and then I just put 2021 down here. When you open it up, you're actually able to, on the website, customize exactly everything from the colors to the layout, how much space you need to write, if you want it horizontal or vertical. So mine just has the monthly overview, and then each week has these big blocks. I like having a lot of room to write just because I like having like to-do lists for each day, and it just keeps me on track having more space so I can write more details and be more specific. I also ordered these stickers from Personal Planner, so these are going to be really cute just to spice up everything, and again, just stay organized. We have the months, we have some numbers, check marks, arrows, happy birthday, weekend. Again, there's so many options, so many different color schemes on their website. And then I got this pack of stickers as well. These are more just colorful ones. And then I got these pens. I absolutely love these pens. They're very, very fine tip, so they're really nice for writing. And they're just a bunch of neutral colors. We have some purple, gray, pink. Super, super cute. Since I was able to team up with a personal planner for today's giveaway, I'm giving away one gift card to one of you guys, which is worth $59.95, which covers either the largest size planner or you can get a smaller size planner, which is what I got. Then you can get some other stationery pieces on the side. All you guys have to do to enter this giveaway is super, super easy. Subscribe to my channel and also go and follow me over on Instagram. And just leave me a comment down below telling me why you think that you really need this planner. You can comment as many times as you want and I'll just choose it randomly. So obviously the more times you comment, the more chances you have of winning. I will be closing this giveaway 2 weeks from today, which is the 22nd of August. So make sure you guys are following all the rules. I will have everything down below and some more details for a personal planner. But yeah, I'm just super excited to be giving away something to you guys to just thank you for all of the support through the last couple of months. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed us just catching up and you guys are also excited about this giveaway. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and enter the giveaway. Again, all the rules will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!